Kihoto Hollohan, Zachillhu and others. November 12, 1991, Feb 18, 1992. In this video, we delve into the significant Supreme Court case of Kihoto Hollohan vs. Zachillhu and others, which was decided on November 12, 1991, and further clarified on February 18, 1992. This landmark ruling has had a profound impact on administrative law, civil procedure, and the separation of powers in India. We'll analyze the legal precedent set by this case, exploring its implications on constitutional law, judicial review, and the balance of government power. The Zachillhu case has far-reaching consequences for election law, tribal law, and civil rights, making it a crucial case study for anyone interested in understanding the intricacies of the Indian legal system. Join us as we break down the complexities of this pivotal court decision and its ongoing relevance in the political context of India. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel. To view videos like this more, please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Kindly share this video with your friends, family, and social groups to spread this knowledge. Did you know that the Kihoto Hollohan case was a landmark decision that fundamentally changed the political landscape in India? It addressed the powers of political parties and the role of defection laws. The Kihoto Hollohan vs. Zachillhu case is a pivotal ruling in Indian jurisprudence that has far-reaching implications for the country's political system. This case, which took place between November 12, 1991 and February 18, 1992, revolved around the concept of defection and its consequences on the political landscape. At its core, the case questioned the power of political parties and the role of the judiciary in regulating their actions. In the midst of India's complex political landscape, the Kihoto Hollohan case stood out as a beacon of hope for those seeking to establish a more transparent and accountable system. This case was not just a simple legal dispute. It was a battle for the very soul of Indian democracy. As we delve into the intricacies of this case, it becomes clear that the stakes were enormously high, with the potential to reshape the future of Indian politics. The Kihoto Hollohan case is significant, not only because of its legal implications but also due to its timing. It took place during a period of great upheaval in Indian politics, with coalition governments rising to power and political alliances being forged and broken with alarming frequency. Against this backdrop, the court's decision would have a profound impact on the balance of power between political parties and their ability to influence the democratic process. In the following sections, we'll explore the central issues at stake in the case, outline the political implications, and examine the legal challenges faced by the involved parties. We'll also delve into the details of the case, including key arguments from both sides, the role of the judiciary, and how the case reflects broader societal issues. The Kihoto Hollohan case was a complex web of legal and political intrigue, with multiple parties involved and numerous arguments being presented. At its heart, the case revolved around the concept of defection and the limits of political party power. The petitioners, Kihoto Hollohan and others, argued that the anti-defection law was unconstitutional and violated their fundamental rights as members of parliament. On the other hand, the respondents, Zachillhu and others, contended that the law was necessary to maintain the stability of the political system and prevent floor crossing. The court's decision would have far-reaching implications for the political system, with the potential to either strengthen or weaken the power of political parties. The petitioners argued that the anti-defection law was overly broad and violated their freedom of speech and expression. They contended that the law was being used to stifle political dissent and suppress the voices of opposition members. The respondents, on the other hand, argued that the law was necessary to prevent political horse trading and maintain the stability of the government. They claimed that the law was a necessary check on the power of individual politicians and prevented them from switching parties at will. As we'll see, the court's decision would ultimately side with the respondents, but not before a protracted legal battle that would expose the deep-seated flaws in India's political system.